welcome back to my channel. So today's finally time to do my own nails. You will see them, they're a disaster. I already started to take color on some of them, but in the video I will just continue so you can see the full process. And it's time to do something nice for myself, because it's been a while since I had any sort of nail art on my nails. So let's jump into that. Okay guys, so you see this disaster. If you want a close-up you can see, but you can actually see how my natural nail is growing. You can see this one is quite shorter because I actually was doing a demo for that one for a different video, but you can see the other nail, my natural nail, is quite longer. So that's the thing, that's gonna be the same story with those two. But yeah, it's time to make them pretty again. So as you can see, there is no lifting happening. This is a little bit more than 5 weeks old, so I think it's definitely time to actually change them. So let's do that. So as per usual, I start with my lovely machine, my bestie. I have to figure out a name for my machine. If you have any suggestion, tell me, would love to hear it. Okay, so this is the bit that I'm gonna be using. This is big titanium bit, and yeah, it will take off the color in a second. So as you can see, we remove the color super quickly. I will show you how they look close up. You can see my nail grew quite a lot. So it's time to refill them. This time I'm not gonna make them shorter. I actually want to keep this length nice and long, because why not? I had them short for a while. Well, short for me. When I say short, for some people that's long, but for me this would be considered a little bit longer than what I would normally wear. So I want to keep this length actually. So let's refill them. So I will start with the cuticle work. Everything is the same as per usual. If you want to see more in depth about that, there is my video that I did a few months ago. So check that out if you want to learn more about the professional, proper preparation of the natural nail. Okay guys, so the next product I'm gonna use is actually gonna be Prep and Scrub from Yana Nails. Actually I have a spray here, so I'm just gonna spray them. Okay. Now we are ready to apply our primers. So if you're working with two, first you have to apply acid, then acid free. If you're working with one, then just acid free one. Or if you have from Yana Nails Magic Air Bond, then you only apply that. Perfect. So now it's time to apply a base gel. So I'm gonna be using rubber base gel, my favorite. Now it's ready to go in a lampy for 1 minute. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna use polygel, and this one is from Koska Bojana. Love this product, super good. So I'm gonna be using that today on myself, and I will start to apply it. Small ball. I will extend this index finger a little bit because it's a little bit shorter than the rest of the nails. Then the rest I will just refill. guys, so as I applied that, well, I don't know if you can see, I will pop that in the lamp. As you can see, this one looks a little bit funny now because, well, they all look a little bit funny now, but especially this one because I just made it longer, so it's not in correct shape or anything, but not to worry, that's why we have our file and that's why we are gonna be filing later on. But this is ready to be cured. Okay guys, now once that has been fully cured, I just cleaned the sticky layer and now this is ready to be filed. As you can see, the shape is not existent, so we have to shape them nice so we can create nice design on them. I always say you can do the most beautiful design, but if the shape and the structure is not correct, then it's not as good. So we always have to make sure that the structure and the shape is beautiful, same as design. So let's do that. So I will use 150 file to file my nails, not nail. I will be filing all of them. Okay guys, so here is the finished result. Well, not completely finished, but finished from filing. This is the shape. You can check it from the side as well. So we have a lovely apex, but they're nice and thin. And yeah, this is the shape. I told you, nowadays I like my almond shape to be a tiny bit more roundy rather than pointy, but if you like a little bit pointy, go ahead, do whatever you like, but this is the shape that I currently like a lot. So for today's video, I will choose some very nice summery color, and then on the next video you will see design that I did that we can put on this set as well, or you know, you can mix and match whatever sets you do with whatever designs you want to do. But let's see what color I will choose. So I don't know between all of them. I think maybe we can put all of them. So maybe I can choose one more for one more nail, which could be this one. I think this combo is gonna be really nice. I really like this combo a lot, so let's do it. Each nail is gonna be different because why not? Okay guys, so first I will start with Aloha, and that will be, I will just move the colors out of my way, and it will be on this finger. Okay, next color is going to be Popsicle. Next one is going to be Brazilian bikini. And the last one is going to be Aquaholic. And now we put it in a lamp for 1 minute, full-time cure. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. As you can see, this is only one layer, and now you can apply whatever top coat you want, shiny or matte, but how beautiful is this? And again, only one layer, and it covers beautifully. Under the light. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the set that I did. It is really fun, really summery, and again I used Genie in the Bottle collection from Yana Nails. Super good, only one layer, and it covers like this. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Ciao!
Šta sada?
Krećemo. Aj pomakni to i ti dođi u sredinu.